sir. This is our report. Our topic is the job interview in tourism or hospitality management. So first is research the company. So sa research of the company is kailangan natin alamin muna bago mag-go for interview. First is know the requirements, kung ano ba ang mga requirements na hinihingi nila. Second is we should know first if this company is not high standard para alam mo kung ikaw ba ay pasok or hindi. Second is understand their mission, values, services, and market position. So dito, kailangan mo maging isang active applicant so you can easily apply it to yourself at maintindihan mo ang rules nila. Third is review the job description. Here is, we need to show our confident na ikaw ay ready sa interview nila at dapat malinaw at maayos ang pagsasalita. Dapat kailangan think before we speak, kung angkop ba ang sagot sa tanong nila. The next is identify key skills and responsibilities. So here is, bilang isang aplikante, dapat alamin mo ang mga responsibilidad mo kung ikaw ay nasa interview. So dapat maging active listening para maintindihan mo ng maayos sa tanong nila at makasagot ka din ng maayos. Next is prepare examples from your experience that align with these requirements. So here is, we need to prepare or be sure na ma-prepare ka ng mga examples galing sa iyong mga karanasan or experience. Practice common interview questions. So dapat maging aware at maging handa tayo sa mga tanong nila. So, we need to practice the common interview questions to easily help us and for us not to be nervous. Tell me about yourself. Siguro naman, lahat tayo ay naka-experience sa tell me about yourself. So, sa tell me about yourself, this is a short summary of our self. So, meaning to say, kailangan natin magbigay ng ating mga personal details or backgrounds. So, halimbawa, good afternoon sir, I'm Romelyn Santos. I see myself as a highly adaptable and customer-focused individual with a genuine passion for creating positive experience. Why are you interested in this position? Dapat sagutin mo ang tanong kung bakit interested ka sa posisyon na yun. So, dapat need na ibigay mo yung best answer mo dito. So, dapat sabihin mo ang nararamdaman mo kung ano yung nafe-feel mo sa company nila during the interview. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Dito din, ano yung strength mo or ano yung lakas mo kung bakit nag-agree ka for that interview. Magiging dahilan mo ba ay ang mga magulang mo dahil sila ang rason kung bakit hinaharap mo ang interview sa araw na yun. Sa weaknesses naman is ano yung mga kahinaan mo. Like for example, my weakness is sometimes I get nervous when I speak in front of many people. So, magiging example na rin yun sa weaknesses.
Hi, good morning. I am Ahmad Zariam Sain, and today I'm going to explain about the leadership. If applying for a management role, showcase your ability to motivate, guide, and develop. It says na nag-guide po kayo, like example, like if may mga tourists po, so ikaw po yung mag-guide sa kanila kung ano po, like what is this and what's that. To show them to our surroundings na i-explain mo yung yung mga uses nila. And then while sa global and local perspective, global. In a global context, emphasize your cultural sensitive experience with international client. knowledge of global tourism trends. Ito yung mga social medias na nakikita natin while nag-vlog po sila and to show na surroundings po na pinapakita po na yung ano to, like example po is going from Switzerland or Japan, so showing about their culture na while ng mga tourists po is sila po yung naga-post po or naga-sense post to the social media, so mga tourism will be getting attract to them. Philippines Caraga highlights your understanding of locals costumes, tradition, and the specific needs of tourist region. Show, showcase your familiarity with local tourist spot attraction and the unique aspects of the hospitality sector. That's all.
Hi, I am Fatima Jaipa M. Tawasin, and today I will explain about the dos and don'ts. The dos and don'ts. You should dress professionally and arrive on time. It's also important. Maintain eye contact and stay positive while speaking. You can share example from your experience and ask a thoughtful question. After the interview, don't forget to send a thank you note to show your appreciation. For the don'ts, make sure not to be late and don't dress inappropriately. Skills to highlight. For customer service, show that you understand people needs and can handle situation politely. In communication, it's important to listen carefully and speak clearly. For problem solving, show you think of your solution to challenge. Under teamwork, demonstrate that you can work well with others. And for adaptability, show that you are flexible and willing to learn new things.